Have you ever stopped to truly consider the invisible architecture of your own mind? The constant, often unnoticed dialogue that shapes not just your mood, but your entire reality? It's a powerful, silent force, dictating what you believe is possible, what you deserve, and ultimately, what you achieve. Imagine for a moment the profound impact if you could consciously direct that internal conversation, transforming self-doubt into unwavering confidence and fear into fearless action. What if simple words, deliberately chosen and consistently repeated, held the key to unlocking a fundamentally different, more fulfilling life? Think about the placebo effect, a phenomenon so potent it puzzles even the most seasoned scientists. A patient receives a sugar pill, believing it's a powerful medicine, and their body responds as if it were, sometimes even curing serious ailments. This isn't magic. It's the sheer, unadulterated power of belief and expectation at play. It's a testament to how deeply our minds influence our physical and emotional states. If belief alone can trigger such profound healing, imagine what focused, intentional belief, channeled through the right words, can do for your aspirations, your relationships, and your overall well-being. This is where affirmations enter the picture. Affirmations are far more than just positive thinking. They are conscious, deliberate statements designed to override deeply ingrained, often limiting subconscious beliefs that have been silently running the show for years. These aren't meant to be empty platitudes you recite without conviction. They are tools for actively rewiring your mental landscape. Pause for a moment and reflect. What is the dominant narrative playing in your head right now? Is it one of capability, abundance, and joy? Or is it a relentless loop of self-criticism, doubt, and scarcity? For many of us, that inner voice can be our harshest critic, a constant barrier to our true potential. Affirmations offer a way to silence that critic and replace its destructive whispers with empowering truths. The promise of consistent, mindful affirmation practice isn't just a fleeting feeling of optimism. It's about initiating tangible, lasting shifts. It's about altering the very neural pathways in your brain, a concept known as neuroplasticity. Your brain isn't a fixed, rigid organ. It's a dynamic, adaptable marvel, constantly reshaping itself based on your experiences, thoughts, and actions. Every time you repeat an affirmation with genuine feeling, you're essentially laying down new tracks, strengthening connections that support your desired reality and weakening those that hold you back. This isn't pseudoscience. It's leveraging your brain's incredible capacity for change. The results can manifest as increased confidence, improved relationships, greater resilience in the face of challenges, and a deeper sense of purpose. In this video, we're going to dive deep into 5 specific, incredibly powerful affirmations. Each one has been carefully chosen to target a crucial area of personal growth and well-being, designed to help you cultivate a mindset that attracts success, joy, and inner peace. These aren't just phrases to memorize. They are invitations to a new way of thinking, feeling, and living. I encourage you to approach them with an open mind, to truly consider how these affirmations might resonate with your own aspirations and how they could serve as catalysts for the extraordinary life you envision. Get ready to tap into the unseen power of your words and discover how they can reshape your world, one affirmation at a time. The idea that our words and thoughts hold transformative power isn't a modern invention. It's a thread woven through the tapestry of human history. From ancient spiritual traditions that embraced mantras and sacred chants to philosophical schools emphasizing the mind's dominance over matter, humanity has long recognized the profound influence of internal dialogue. Consider the ancient Stoics, who practiced daily self-reflection and affirmation of their principles to cultivate resilience and inner peace. Their teachings, though millennia old, resonate strongly with contemporary psychological approaches to self-talk. A lesser-known but pivotal figure in the early 20th century, French pharmacist Émile Coué popularized the simple yet revolutionary affirmation, "Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better." Coué's method, which involved patients repeating this phrase multiple times daily, yielded remarkable results, demonstrating the tangible impact of conscious, positive self-suggestion long before modern neuroscience could explain why. He tapped into a fundamental truth. Our beliefs, consciously cultivated, can indeed shape our reality. Now, let's peel back the layers and explore the fascinating neuroscience behind how affirmations actually work. Your brain, that incredibly complex organ, is not a static entity. It possesses an astonishing capacity for change, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Every thought you think, every experience you have, every word you utter, whether silently or aloud, literally reshapes your brain. When you consistently repeat an affirmation, you are actively engaging in brain rewiring. You're strengthening new neural pathways associated with the positive belief you're affirming, while simultaneously weakening the old, often negative pathways that have kept you stuck. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a biological process. Furthermore, affirmations have a direct impact on your limbic system, particularly the amygdala, often referred to as your brain's fear center. Repeated negative self-talk or stress can keep the amygdala on high alert, triggering fight-or-flight responses. Positive affirmations, however, can help reduce amygdala activity, calming your nervous system and fostering a sense of safety and well-being. Concurrently, they can increase activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for rational thought, decision-making, and goal setting. This shift allows you to approach challenges with greater clarity and less emotional reactivity. And there's more. Positive self-talk and the anticipation of positive outcomes can stimulate the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure, motivation, and reward. This creates a positive feedback loop, making you more likely to engage in empowering behaviors and pursue your goals with renewed vigor. To truly harness this power, certain key principles are essential for effective affirmation practice. Firstly, be specific and use the present tense. Instead of, "I will be confident," affirm, "I am confident." Speak as if your desired reality is already here. Secondly, emotional resonance is paramount. It's not enough to just recite words, you must feel them. Connect with the emotion the affirmation evokes. Visualize it, embody it. Thirdly, consistency and repetition are non-negotiable. Think of it like building a muscle. Sporadic workouts yield minimal results. Daily, even multiple times a day, practice is key to solidifying new neural pathways. Finally, start with believable affirmations. While it's great to aim high, if an affirmation feels too far-fetched, your subconscious might reject it. Begin with statements that feel slightly aspirational, but still within the realm of possibility, then gradually expand. However, many people encounter common pitfalls that hinder their progress. One major hurdle is a lack of genuine belief. If you're reciting an affirmation but your inner voice is screaming, "That's not true," you're creating internal conflict. To overcome this, start by acknowledging your skepticism, then gently challenge it. Ask yourself, what if it could be true? Another pitfall is inconsistency. Life gets busy, and affirmations can fall by the wayside. Integrate them into existing routines, during your morning coffee, while commuting, or before sleep. Set reminders. Lastly, passive recitation is a common mistake. Simply saying the words without engagement is like reading a recipe without cooking. The difference between saying words and embodying their meaning is profound. Feel the words, believe the words, and let them become your truth. Now let's unlock 5 affirmations that, when truly embraced, can profoundly shift your life. The first powerful affirmation is, "I am worthy of love, joy, and abundance." This statement directly confronts the often ingrained feelings of not being good enough, addressing the core issues of self-worth and deservingness that plague so many. If you've ever felt like an imposter or found yourself questioning your right to happiness, this affirmation is your antidote. To apply it, try journaling about moments when you felt unworthy and then consciously rewrite those narratives with this affirmation. Practice mirror work, looking into your own eyes and repeating these words, especially before important interactions where your self-esteem might be challenged. Feel the truth of it resonating within you. Our second affirmation for transformation is, "I trust my intuition and make wise decisions." This helps cultivate that inner guidance system we all possess but often silence, reducing the anxiety that comes with decision-making. How many times have you second-guessed yourself into paralysis? This affirmation empowers you to overcome analysis paralysis. Use it before making any significant choice, whether it's a career move or a personal commitment. Recite it during meditation to quiet the external noise or whenever you feel uncertain about your path. It strengthens your internal compass, allowing clarity to emerge. Third on our list is, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. This affirmation is a game changer because it shifts your perspective from victimhood to one of resilience and learning. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, you begin to see them as stepping stones. When facing a difficult situation, be it a career setback, a personal disappointment, or a new obstacle, consciously recite this affirmation. It reframes your experience, allowing you to extract valuable lessons and emerge stronger. It's not about denying the difficulty, but about embracing its potential for evolution. The fourth affirmation, critical for cultivating a positive outlook, is, I am grateful for all the good in my life, and more is coming. This statement fosters an abundance mindset, actively attracting positive experiences through the powerful principle of the law of attraction. In a world often focused on what's missing, this affirmation redirects your attention to what is present and positive. Practice daily gratitude, making it a ritual upon waking and before sleep. List specific things you are grateful for, then add this affirmation. It combats feelings of scarcity and trains your mind to recognize and appreciate the wealth of good already surrounding you, opening the door for even more. Finally, our fifth affirmation is, I am confident, capable, and achieve my goals with ease. This affirmation is designed to boost your self-efficacy and propel you into action towards your aspirations. It directly addresses procrastination and the fear of failure, instilling a proactive mindset. Before a big presentation, a job interview, or embarking on a new project, repeat this affirmation. Visualize yourself confidently executing your tasks and achieving your desired outcomes. Feel the surge of capability, knowing you possess the inner resources to succeed. To recap, these 5 affirmations, affirming your worthiness, trusting your intuition, viewing challenges as growth opportunities, embracing gratitude, and cultivating confidence, are not mere words. They are tools for rewiring your brain, transforming your inner dialogue, and ultimately reshaping your reality. I challenge you to choose just one of these affirmations and commit to practicing it daily for the next 21 days. Notice the subtle shifts in your mindset, your reactions, and your opportunities. Imagine how your life might transform if you consistently cultivated such a powerful, positive inner dialogue. Share your chosen affirmation and your initial experiences in the comments below, creating a community of growth. For those seeking deeper exploration, consider delving into mindfulness, visualization techniques, or cognitive behavioral therapy, all powerful allies in this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Your words have power. Wield them wisely.